We are now at Kunci Study Forum and Collective in Yogyakarta. I'm a member of Kunci because I enjoy collective study. And how about you, Ape?
Maybe it's called Pochemuchka, a man who asking a lot of questions. So that's why I invited to join Kunci. Yeah.
Yeah, he likes to ask a lot of questions, and
Yeah.
that's why we like him. Welcome.
Welcome.
Library, office space, well, place where people can sit and do stuff. We also have a microwave. It's quite a messy situation. Basically, all spaces can be used depend on how people want to use it. And maybe on your back, Ape can explain a bit.
Yeah. We call it organized in skill. So if it's messy, then somebody's working. So this is like Kunci copy station, station. Like we running this Riso printing machine that produce some books, and we have a sister kind of publication who publishing recently, Reading Sideway Press. So yeah, basically we provide service for printing, and we producing posters, zines, also a lot of different thematic like environmental. Also, we provide service for our friends, artist friends. So basically, a lot of topic covered. Please welcome to our living room. It's so people basically hang out. This is they have meeting right now for Yogyakarta Art Book Fair, the very first one. And this is where the magic happens. Our very luxurious kind of dining room, and also we have our kitchen over there.
We cook a lot of things. Why? Because cooking is part of our collective work. We share dinner, snacks, and everything together. Sometimes we experiment with foods. And while we're cooking, we're also discussing many things. For example, many things about history of studying methods. That was the backbone of our project. It's called School of Improper Education, where we gather many people who are curious in the question about how to study together. And with them, we create an uncertain structure together to think what kind of condition or situation where we can think together, play together, cook together, and become useless in the midst of the society where everything is very pragmatic and you have to be useful in a way.
We share our knowledge together through the program. So it depends on the participants' knowledge also. What
Improper education, we are all trying to unlearn the way the school has disciplined us, makes us want to compete against each other to get a good grades, makes us looking for authority to tell us what to do, makes us feel discomfort with uncertainty because we want a ready-made answer. Those are the things that we found together along the way in our school, and we asked why do we look for authority. And when we found that problem, we identify it and ask questions on how to unlearn it in a way. When we do meetings, we usually have 4 key roles in the meeting, and we rotate the roles. The roles are the moderator, the harvester, or some kind of the note takers who can write or draw or harvest things that came up from the meeting, and then timekeeper, and then the guardian of attention. The guardian of the attention is someone who can sense when the situation get tense or get bored and do something to bring back the collective attention into the common goal. So we rotate these roles with the participants because we want to co-host the school, to co-organize the school with the participants. We want to somehow blur or even erase the boundaries between the host and the guest of a house, or the teacher and the student. And by rotating these roles with the participants, we hope that they also feel that they can be organizer, they can be facilitator, they can be a host, and have more sense of belonging of the school.
Maybe also provide a space, like sometimes asking question is needed, because if you try to first validate what the other person perspective is, asking for clarity, it's kind of humbling you down, and so you don't know actually know the answer or the perspective, so you listen more instead of trying to justify what's your position first. Sometimes we organize in scale. If it's messy, it might be working.